may idea nga may kaso bala si Dr. Joseph Dean L. Nicolo nga involved kickback na ngayok porsyento corruption ghost project nga bala o wala?
Madam Chair, it's a big no.
Okay, thank you very much, Madam Chair. You know, in any government, in any office, kung gusto mo, if you wanted to have change, kung gusto mo islan kag baguhon kag panamion ang departamento mo, normal kag natural nga makasuhan ka administrative. May kilala ko, braso ng LTO, daw mo sa kaso administrative, hindi ko lang pagkabalod kung sino. It doesn't follow ang malain sa batasan. It doesn't mean na corrupt siya. It doesn't mean na sa porsyento. For you to rearrange not only the face and the value of your department, makasuhan ka git administratibo kay may matapakan ka. Pero I wanted to put it on record na it doesn't follow na kung may administrative case ka, malain ka na. Ang malain niya, kung gaobra ka, kaging kasuhan ka corruption, kasuhan ka ngayon ka kickback, kag may ghost projects ka, ano na yan? Am I right, Madam Chair?
Well, based on your perspective, probably it could be right, Madam Chair.
Yes, and I wanted to put it on record as a manifestation. Amo na problema sa ato, no? Kung gaobra ka mayo, kag politikahan ka, ay taan ka gid malain. Kung hindi ka man mag-join sa Hallelujah kag sa chorus nila, kung hindi ka magpasugot sa katuntuhan nila, obrahan ka nila storya. What's worse? Madira ka pa nila sa media, sa PR firm nila. They will make up cases to make you look bad. Pero I have here a 32-page achievement award of Dr. Joseph Dean L. Nicolo, which I will distribute to the media later on. So, Madam Chair, ang ako na Ma'am Baldere, wala ni tayo naglupok. Naglupok lang ni, wala ni tayo naglupok ni kung wala ni may involved na 4 na congresswoman. Naglupok lang ni, tina-involved ni sila. Kaya kung ang kontra ni Dr. Nicolo, isa lang guro ka ordinaryo nga tao, isa ka nurse, isa ka doktor, wala nag-amuning ka-blow out into this kind of proportion. Galing may 4 ka congresswoman na naka-involved diri, amo na naglupok ang balita. Allegedly. 1. So, Madam Chair, thank you very much, gentleman from Mandoyao, for this mockingbird privilege speech. I know to kill a mockingbird is a disservice to the people of Iloilo. But I want to add, to kill the lady ghost is a service to the people of Iloilo.
Yes, Councilor